OEM halogen versus Lasfit T10 LED.
Let's start unboxing. Nice packaging as usual, Lasfit quality. 6000K and 400 lumen rated. Let's start with license plate light. To access the bulb, trunk trim needs to be removed. First, remove the trunk light by using prying tool. Unlock the connector by pressing the pin. Remove the retainer clips. Now you can remove the trunk trim. Locate the bulb and unlock by turning counterclockwise. Remove the old halogen and insert the new Lasfit T10. Do the same to the other side. Test them before putting them back in. Put them back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock. And here is the amazing results. Moving on to the door light. Pry the light housing from the top. Remove the connector by pressing down the pin. Use a flathead or prying tool to open up the lens. Lens is held by 4 clips. By removing 2 of them, you will be able to disassemble the lens. Remove the halogen bulb and replace with Lasfit T10. Plug it back in to test it. Assemble the lens back on and install it back in. Next is the map light. Use a prying tool to pry from the side. Once it's off from one side, start prying other sides. Lightly wiggle it and the lens will come off. Remove the halogen bulb and insert Lasfit T10. Test it and install the lens back on. Repeat the same steps to the passenger side. Moving on to the rear dome light. Use prying tool to pry from the button side. Lens will come off easily. Remove the halogen and insert the Lasfit T10. Test it and put the lens back on. Next will be the park lights. Locate the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to unlock. Remove the halogen and insert the Lasfit T10. Insert the socket back to the housing and turn it clockwise to lock. Repeat the same steps to the other side. No more dim orange halogen. And the last one will be the side marker light. I will show you two ways of installing it. First is from the wheel liner. Remove 2 screws and 2 retainer clips from the liner. It will be a lot easier with the wheel off. Top is where the second screw and the clip's at. Once they are removed, start disassemble the trim from the bottom. Use a flat head or prying tool to press down the clip. Remove about halfway and you will be able to access behind the liner. There is another plastic clip needs to be removed here. I was not able to film the inside due to the angle, but the bulb is just right beside the turn signal. Remove the halogen and insert the Lasfit T10. Test it before you put it back in. And there you go, what a big difference. Okay, and here is another way of installing it from the engine bay. If your hand is small enough, you will be able to reach it. Again, it's just right beside the turn signal. Repeat the steps and insert back to the housing and lock it. And that's all the T10S from the QX50.